I'm interior designer Vanessa DeLeon, and welcome to my Englewood, New Jersey project. Come on in. This is a brand new, modern 16,000 square foot home. So there was plenty of space for me to work my magic. And it all starts here in this entry gallery. I wanted the space to feel like a lobby of a swanky hotel in South Beach. I added these oversized club chairs with a small coffee table in the center, grounding everything with whites and blacks. My client wanted to add an organic element, so we installed a spectacular moss wall to take advantage of the double height ceiling. When someone's in the space, I want them to immediately feel like they're at home, but also excited to see what's next. Follow me. This space serves both as a cozy family room and a sexy lounge. For the family room, it was all about softening up the space, and that's why I use all these round pieces. The rounded sofa, round marble coffee table, the chairs with the round backs, and these end tables, even though they look square, they have a rounded element. And since we have this beautiful fireplace, I wanted to anchor everything around it. We needed a chic bar, and I knew the perfect designer, me. This is my collection with Neolith. This is a porcelain countertop with light veining that echoes the colors throughout the house. And then to add a black accent, I added these bar stools. And because storage in a bar is essential, I picked these beautiful Doka cabinets. I know I might be biased, but this is probably one of the coolest lounges in Englewood, New Jersey. This whole first level has access to the outside, so it gave me a great opportunity to bring the outdoors in and also to bring the indoors out. Out here, I thought it was another great opportunity for both family and entertainment. So here in this area, I added a U-shaped sofa facing the fireplace and television. And for dining, I selected this streamlined modern dining table. All the pieces out here are functional and reflect the contemporary lines of the home. This kitchen was a lot of fun to design, and I got to use a lot of my signature elements. We used espresso cabinets and a smoky black countertop. And for the dinette, I selected these green chairs to pull in the moss wall. And if you know me, you know I love a dramatic minimalistic lighting fixture. We selected this cascading crystal tubular chandelier. This kitchen is really my love letter to everyone who enjoys cooking. And from up here, you get a great perspective of all my work on the first floor. And it's looking pretty good. The primary suite occupies an entire wing of the house. I wanted my clients to feel like they're always on vacation. That's why I designed the primary suite like a hotel suite. It started with this velvet high back wing bed. Every time you're in it, you feel like you're being embraced. And again, the same thing applies with these stools at the end of the bed in this rounded boucle fabric. And for a little whimsy, I chose this organic shaped mirror. This room also has a beautiful fireplace, so I made sure to build the floor plan around the fireplace. And of course, a primary suite like this has a spa-like bathroom to die for. I designed this home so my clients can live their best life. Working on this project was a blast, and I'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.